Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to design an online banking website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from a great video like this. So here is a demo of what we'll be achieving in this video. So I have this site hosted on my subdomain, and I'll be using this site as an example of what we'll be achieving in this video. And I'll be using this site as a demo, showing you guys how this online banking works and how to set up an online banking from scratch. So if you're a newbie and you want to design an online banking project, make sure you stick to this video from the beginning to the end. I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to design an online banking website. So guys, we have the menu bar, which is the home, about, FAQ, contacts, and then we have the language, and then we have the sign in, and then here we have welcome to the largest e-banking system, and then we have the button create an account. So we have services. We make your life comfortable with our services: withdraw funds, deposit funds, fast transfer. We have why choose us. We are giving you the best service. Explore our features: transfer money, deposit scheme, take loans. It's easy to join with us. Open account, verification, deposit, get service. And then we have it's easy to join us, and so on. So the next thing we have here is the about us page, which tells us more about the banking website. So on the about us page, we have we care about your money and safety, explore our features. So the next thing here is the FAQ, which says any question find here, and so on. And we have the contact us. This is basically where you can reach out to the bank using any of these media. So guys, this is basically how the front end of this banking website looks like. So I'll just go ahead and then create an account or sign into an existing account. First of all, I'm going to click on the sign in, and then here we have email address, and then we have password. So I'm going to click on create an account and then head up to create a new account. I'm going to put in a username, and then I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to choose an email address on my phone. So it says you already have an account, please log in. So I already have an account with this email. So I'm just going to just go ahead and then log in with my details, guys. Going to go ahead and then put in my email address, and then go ahead and then put in my password, guys. So I'll go ahead and then sign in. So guys, I've successfully been able to sign into the user's dashboard, and we have an awesome user's dashboard, simple and classic. So we have the balance, which is $0.00, and then we have my referrals, which is this. So you can share this as a customers so that other people can register using your referral links. We have the pending deposit, which is $0.00. We have the pending withdrawals, which is $0.00. We have today's transaction 0, running FDR, running DPS, and then running loans. So here we have latest credits, latest debits. So I'm just going to click on deposit, and then this is what we have on the deposit. We have click on deposit now. So guys, the fun part about this online banking is that it has an online payments gateway integrated. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up this online payments gateway so that this bank can use this online payments gateway. So now customers can make payment directly from your bank instead of you doing manual transfer or manual funding and so on, which is also included in the system. So the next thing here we have the withdraw, and then here it says withdraw money, and then you go ahead and then select the payment method you want to withdraw with. You choose your authorization method if you want, and then go ahead and then put in the amount you want to withdraw, and then click on submit. So guys, here we have the FDR, and then the FDR is the fixed deposit receipt plans. So guys, this is my account number, VB, and so on, guys. This is my account number for this bank. It's showing on every page I get to. So if I have FDR plans, it's going to show me my available FDR plans, but at the moment I do not have an active FDR plans, and I can decide to click on my FDR list, which brings out the list of my FDR plans, but at the moment I do not have one. So I'm going to click on the DPS, which says deposit pension scheme. So this basically shows all your deposit pension scheme plans, and then here we have the loans, whereby it shows all your loans plans, and then you can also see your loan list and so on, guys. So guys, under transfers we have beneficiaries, we have within Irenic Bank, we have other bank, we have wire transfers, we have history. So I'm just going to click within a wedding bank, and then it says data not found. If I click on other bank, it also says data not found. So let me just click on beneficiaries and then click on add beneficiary. So this is basically where you can just go ahead and then paste account number, account name, short name, and then go ahead and submit this as a beneficiary. I can go ahead and then click on other banks and then add beneficiaries, and then I can decide to select a bank and then add short name and then add, so that I can easily make transfers to this account. So guys, the next thing we have here is transactions, whereby you can view all transactions, guys. So it says an amount of 100 USD has successfully been added to this account. So this is basically how this was done. I'm going to log into the admin dashboard right now, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can fund a user's accounts. So guys, I'm going to visit the admin dashboard. So guys, the link to the admin dashboard is bank.jowenictop.com/admin, and then I'm going to put in my username and then password. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on login, guys. So guys, I'm currently logged into the admin dashboard. We have a lot of features here, whereby we have dashboard, total users, we have 1, active users, we have 1, email unverified user, we have 0, we have pending deposits, we have rejected deposits, we have pending withdrawals, we have rejected withdrawals, we have running loans, pending loans, due loans, paid loans, we have total DPS, mature DPS, due DPS, running DPS, we have total FDR, we have running FDR, we have due FDR, we have close FDR. We have a lot of features on this admin dashboard. I've rarely seen a bank with this lot of features. So guys, the next thing here, we have manage staff, whereby you can manage each and every staffs on this system, guys. Next, we have the manage users, whereby you can view all active users. So for now, we have an account which is this, which we had signed into. So it says this account has a current balance of $100, which was manually added. I'm just going to click on details and then go ahead and then add, let me just say $2,000 to this account. I'm just going to go ahead and add $2,000 to this account and then put in a remark and then click on submit. This automatically adds this amount to this user. So this is basically where you can deduct an amount from this guy. It says subtract balance, and then here you can view all logins for this user. Okay, this user has logged in twice today, guys. So I'm going to go back, and then the next thing we have here is notifications, and under notifications it says we have 2 notifications which is sent. The first is your account has been credited with $2,100, and the other one is your account has also been credited with $100, guys. So I'm going to go back, and then here we have login as users. So this is basically an admin can decide to log in directly to a user's dashboard. So guys, if you notice, this user's account balance shows immediately. So I'm just going to go back to this page, and then we have what we call ban user. So I can just go ahead and then ban this user, restrict access for this user. So say if you ban this user, he or she won't be able to access he or her dashboard. So you can put in a reason why you want to place a ban on this user, and then go ahead and then submit. So this is basically how to suspend a user or ban a user totally from using this system, guys. I'm going to scroll down, and then here we have email verification. I can decide to turn on this or turn off this. We have mobile verification. I can decide I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up this. And then the next thing we have here is active users, and definitely we have just 1 active user because we just have 1 account which has been created, and right now we have no banned user. The next thing we have email unverified, which is going to be data not found. Mobile unverified, because we know that this user has verified his email, he has verified his phone number and every other details. The next thing here we have is the KYC unverified. KYC verified is also checked. And then the next thing we have is KYC pending. We have with balance, we have all users, and we have notification to all. So let's look at how this deposit features is. We have pending deposits, which is no pending deposit found. So the next thing we have withdrawals, and then we have withdrawals method, guys. It says no data found for withdrawals method. We have pending withdrawals and so on, guys. So I'm just going to scroll down, guys, and then go to the payment gateway, and then I'm going to click on automatic payment gateway. So this is basically whereby you can enable all the payment gateway you want functioning on this website. So we have a lot of payment gateway a user can use to make payments. So there are variable of payment gateway you can give to your users to make payments, guys. So we have the manual payment gateway, whereby you can put in a manual payment gateway so that your user can make payment using the manual gateway which you've provided, guys. All you need to do is to put in your gateway name, your currency, your weight, and then put in the range, charges, and then your deposit instruction, and you're good to go, guys. So the next thing we have is the transfer money option, which says money transfer. It says pending transfer. For now, we haven't performed any transactions on any of these, guys, so definitely it's going to say no data found, guys. So the next thing we have other banks, and currently now we do not have any banks added to this system. So the cool thing is that we can just head up to this place and then add new banks to this system. You can just go ahead and then add ABC bank to this system so that customers can transfer to these banks, and then processing time I'm going to put in 2. So this automatically sets the processing time to 2 minutes. I'm going to put transfer limits, minimum maybe 100, maximum 1000. So the cool part about this system is that you can set the banks you want them to be able to transfer with. It doesn't come with banks listed. You add those banks yourself. So if you have a custom bank you want to add, you can easily add those custom banks, and then when the user wants to transfer to any of these banks, we just select from the banks you've listed on this system, guys. So the next thing here, we have the fixed charges, we have the percent charges, we have daily limit, we have monthly limit, we have instruction transfer, and here we have account name, account number, type, text, and so on. So this is basically some of this field that has to be filled before a transaction can be made, guys. The next thing we have here is wire transfer, and then I'm going to click on settings, guys. So under the wire transfer, you can set the transfer limits, transfer charges, and so on for wire transfer, guys. And after that, you click on submit. So this will enable a user to be able to perform a wire transfer on this system, guys. So I'm going to click on forms, and this automatically brings out the forms they are going to fill whenever they want to perform a wire transfer. So the next thing here we have is manage branches. I'm going to click on all branches, and currently now we have no branches. I can just come over here and then add new branch on this system, guys. Go ahead, add branch name, branch code, routing number, swift code, and so on, guys. So I feel like this system gives you the power to handle whatsoever you want to handle on this system without stress, without having to contact a web developer that you need to add more features to your system. You can just do that manually, and then you're good to go. So the next thing here we have is branch staff, and then we have plans. So you can go ahead and then set your FDR plans. Remember, we had no data found because there are no FDR plans set on this system. So if you want to go ahead and then add new plan, you can just go ahead and then add new plan and then put in a plan name. For instance, let me just say sweet credit, weight 3, log day, I'm going to put 12, and then installment interval, I'm going to put 20, amount I'm going to put 100, and then maximum amount I'm going to put 3,000, guys. I'm going to go ahead and then click on submit, guys, and then I'm going to head back to the user's dashboard, guys, and then go ahead and then refresh. So I'm on the user's dashboard. I'm going to click on FDR plan. So we should have an FDR package now. So it says Swift credit 23%, lock-in period, and so on. So they can decide to apply now and then make a deposit for these guys. All they need to do is put in an amount and then choose an authorization code for this, and then click on submit. So this automatically sends an OTP code using any of the method you choose. You can decide to use your Google authentication or whatsoever you want to use. So we're using a 6-digit PIN, which is going to be sent to your mobile number, and then you put in the code and then click on verify. So simple and easy. So we have loans, guys. So this is basically whereby you can create loans which a user can subscribe to. So we have all loans, we have pending loans, we have running loans, and so on. So as an admin, you can just go ahead and then set new loan plans that users can subscribe to. And then here we have payment gateway, we have the automatic gateway, which I earlier pointed out, and the manual payment gateway, guys. And then after that we have the support ticket, whereby we have the pending ticket, closed ticket, answer ticket, all tickets. We have reports, which says transaction log, login history, notifications history, and we have subscribers. We now have general settings, guys. So under general settings, we have where you're going to put in your site title, your currency, your symbol code. You can decide to change your site color, and then put in your user ID, OTP expiration, and so on, guys. So next we have the cron job settings, which you do not need. We have the logo and the favicon. So this is basically where you have to upload your new logo which you want to use for your new site. And then we have the system configuration. This is basically where you can turn on and turn off some features. So I can decide to turn off user registration. I can decide to turn off any of these features which is available on this bank website. So I can also decide to turn off OTP via SMS and so on, guys. So the next thing we have here is the KYC settings. So guys, right now you can decide to add a new form so that users can upload some KYC to identify whether they are real or not. So the next thing we have here is the referral settings, whereby you can set an amount for referrals. And then we have the extensions, which shows some of the extensions we can apply on this website. We have language, whereby we can add new language to this system. So guys, the next thing we have is the SEO manager. We have the notification setting, and then we have the front end manager. So guys, the next thing we have here is manage templates. Then we have manage pages. So under manage template, you can manage your template, and then manage pages, you can decide to add new pages if you're not satisfied with some of the pages appearing on the website, and you can decide to edit the pages directly by clicking the edit button, guys. So the next thing here we have manage section, whereby you can manage each section showing on the website, guys. And then we have the ban section, we have banner section, contact us section. This is basically where you do most of your settings for each of the section appearing on the front end of your website. We have the maintenance mode, we have the GDPR cookie, guys, and then system, we have updates, application, custom CSS, and so on, guys. So this admin features, there's no doubt it has lots of great features, guys. So if you want a standard online banking website, this is one of the best scripts you should consider. So basically this is how the admin dashboard works. So the question is, how do I design an online banking website? As I earlier said, I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys how to design an advanced online banking website. So guys, if you know you're enjoying this video, go ahead and then subscribe to this channel now, like this video and share so that other people can learn as you're watching this video, guys. So let's go ahead and then log into a cPanel. So before you can start any website, you need a domain and a hosting. A domain is basically what is used to access your site. It's basically a URL or a name used to identify your site, and then this domain is uniquely assigned to you. For instance, I have irenictop.com or sweetsaverbank.com or so on. These domains are domains which are assigned to me immediately I purchase them. So next, I need a place where to host my website, and this is where the cPanel comes in. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how the cPanel looks like, and then how we can upload the scripts for this project, and how we can set up an online banking website just like this. I advise you to stay till the end of this video because you're going to learn a lot from this video. So I'm just going to go back to a new browser. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and then log into my cPanel, but in my case I'm using an hPanel, so you can follow through exactly what I'm doing on a cPanel. Also, I'm just going to go ahead and then type hostinger.com and then go ahead and then log into my Hostinger account. Just go ahead and then log into my Hostinger account, and then I should be logged in. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to log out of this because this is not what I want to work on. I'm just going to log out and then log into my own Hostinger account. So I'm just going to wait while it loads. So guys, we have this. I'm just going to go ahead and then select this domain, and then I'm going to go ahead and then add a subdomain. So if you're creating a new site, you don't need to create a subdomain because I already have a website on my primary domain. So I just want to create a subdomain so that it can rely on my primary domain. I'm just going to go ahead and click on domains and then type subdomain. So under subdomain, I'm going to type bank projects, and then I'm going to click on custom folder for subdomain. Then I will just call it bank project, guys. Great, guys. So guys, I'm going to leave this use public _ HTML directory. I'm going to leave it blank, and then I'm going to click on create, guys. So this automatically creates a subdomain for my project. So if you're using a cPanel, all you need to do is to go to your search on your cPanel after logging in using your domain /cPanel, and then go ahead and then search for domains. If you search for domains, you will find a place whereby you can create your new subdomain. Once you're done with this, you go ahead and then click on your dashboard, guys, and then click on your file manager so that you can find the new subdomain which has been created. So I'm just going to wait while my dashboard loads in a couple of seconds, and then we have our dashboard loaded successfully. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on public_html, and then we should have our bank project folder. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then upload the scripts used in this project. So if you're using a cPanel, go ahead and then locate your file manager on your cPanel, and then on the top or on the nav bar you should find an upload button. Go ahead and then click on upload, and then click on file and upload the scripts. So guys, I have the script uploaded successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then extract the scripts. So I'll just go ahead and then create a dummy folder and extract the script in this folder, guys. So we should have the script extracted on that folder. I'm going to go ahead and then open the folder and then move all the files to this main directory, guys. So guys, how do I do that? I'm going to go ahead and then open this GH, and then go ahead and then open this folder called file, and then go ahead and then Ctrl A to select all, and then I'm going to click on this, which is move file, and then select this. I'm going to select this and then move it to this folder, guys. So this has successfully been done, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create a database for my project. I'm going to go back to my Hostinger account, and then I'm going to locate database, guys, and then it's going to say create a new MySQL database. So if you're using a cPanel, go ahead and then use your search and then type MySQLi database wizard, guys. So you should be able to create your database using that. I'm just going to show you an example. So if I want to create a domain or a subdomain, I just go ahead and then type domain, guys, and then this should allow me create a new subdomain. So if I want to upload my script, I'll just go ahead and then click on file manager to upload a new script on my folder. So if I want to go ahead and then create my database, I'll go ahead and then type my SQLi wizard, and this automatically creates a new database for you. All you need to do is to click on this and then go ahead and then set your database details, just like what I'm about to do, guys. I'm just going to come back here and then set my database details as bank 2, and then come over here and also set this as bank 2, guys. And then I'm also going to come over here and generate a random password, guys. Great, guys, this has successfully been done. I'm not going to click on quit so that I can copy every details I've created here. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and then delete this GH. Great, guys. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then visit my website using my website domain /install, and then I'm going to go ahead and then use /install. Great, guys. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and then it's going to open up an installation page which says license to be used and so on. I'm going to go ahead and click on I agree, next step. So I'm just going to go ahead and then activate some of this. So I'm just going to locate the core/bootstrap/catch. Going to click on, I'm just going to come back and then come to this. So I'm going to click on, so I'm going to come to our folder, which is our main folder where we have our subdomain, and then click on core, and then come to bootstrap, and then it says catch. So I'm just going to right click and then change permission. So we're having 755 and we are supposed to change it to 775. So I'm just going to click on write and then update. So this automatically meets the requirement. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to core/storage. So I'm going to go back and then locate core/storage. I'm also going to right click and then change permission to 775. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here and it says storage/app, guys. I'm going to go to storage, and then we have app, guys. I'm going to right click and then change permission also to 775. I'm going to update, and then I'm also going to change this to 775, and I'm also going to change the log also to 775. Great, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and then to be checked, guys. This automatically should pass all the requirements. I'm going to click on next step, guys, and then it says website URL, which is correct. I'm going to go ahead and then put in my existing database details, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and then come over to where I created my database and then copy these details carefully, guys. I'm just going to come here paste this as my database name. So I'm just going to paste this, which is my database name. I'm going to copy and then also paste this as my database username, and then come over here and then write localhost, and then come and then paste my password. I'm just going to copy, right click, and then copy, and then come over here and then paste my password. Great, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and put in my admin details, guys. I'm going to set in admin details and then put admin email. I'm going to use admin@gmail.com. And then after that, I'm going to click on install now, guys. So before that, let me go ahead and then create my database, guys. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds while my database says database created successfully. Great, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and click on install now. So this should automatically install the script. It says the system has been installed successfully. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and then visit our website, and then we have our website displaying just like what we had shown, guys. We have our website displayed with every details we have in the previous video. We have our logo, home, about, FAQ, contact, sign in, and so on, guys. So this is exactly what we had shown in the previous video. So guys, this is basically how to design an online banking website, guys. If you want to change your logo, you can just go to your admin, just like what we have seen. Go to the logo on favicon and then change every details regarding your admin. You can just go ahead and then visit this page /admin, guys, and then it should bring you to your admin dashboard, guys. So it's going to say you should put in your admin login details, username and password, which is admin, and then password 1234567 and then you go ahead and then log in. So guys, there's no doubt that I left no stone unturned. I showed you guys step-by-step guide on how to design an advanced online banking website, guys. So guys, if you want to get the scripts used in this video, check the description of this video. You find a WhatsApp link you can reach out to, and also a contact you can also request the scripts from. If you know you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from a great video you just watched, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.